Today, we're diving into the Alarm Lock DL5200 Trilogy dual-sided digital keypad lock, a standout in keyless security solutions. This lock offers durability and peace of mind with its robust construction and easy PIN access system. Whether you're securing your home, business, or warehouse, this lock is designed to meet your needs both indoors and outdoors. Installation is a breeze, requiring minimal time and basic tools. Its modern design fits seamlessly into any environment, blending high-tech functionality with user-friendly operation. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional keys and the worry of misplacing them. Simply remember your PIN and you're in control. What stands out about the DL5200 is its versatility. It's not just for homes. It's perfect for shops, storage areas, and more. The metal construction ensures longevity, making it a reliable choice for long-term security needs. Plus, Smart Locks prioritizes customer satisfaction, offering a tested product with a 30-day warranty for peace of mind that if you're looking for the best in keyless entry solutions, the Alarm Lock DL5200 Trilogy dual-sided digital keypad lock is an excellent choice. It combines affordability with high-quality locksmith technology, ensuring your security needs are met without compromise.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.